What if you could gain back an extra 2 hours each day by working smarter, not harder? Sounds too good to be true? Make sure to stick around until the end because I'll be revealing 8 powerful AI tools that are completely free. If you are new to this channel, make sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Let's dive into the first one, Perplexity.ai. Perplexity.ai makes research very simple by delivering easy-to-understand answers and backing them with reliable sources. It is perfect for market research, fact-checking, or just satisfying your curiosity. What truly sets Perplexity apart is its focus feature. This lets you refine your prompt based on the context, whether you're diving deep into YouTube research or tackling an entirely different topic. Let's say I want to find out what the best email marketing software is. It immediately comes up with multiple different options, and it even adds some of the pros and the cons for each provider. It's always good to double check this information as well, but it's still incredibly useful. And in case if I would like to save the search for later, I can just add it to a collection and create a bookmark. Next on the list is Copy.ai. Copy.ai is your go-to tool for creating high-quality written content within seconds. Whether you need a catchy headline, an engaging social media post, or an entire blog section, it simplifies the writing process and generates unique, creative texts based on just a few inputs. One feature that I love is that you can just browse through different prompts. You don't need to start from scratch, but you can just look through the templates that are already here. Let's say I would like to get an inspiring headline for an email marketing software. Then I can adjust the ready-made prompt. This already gives me great inspiration. And then if I would like to be consistent in my messaging, I can create a brand voice. And another very handy feature is InfoBase, which basically allows you to create a concept. You can just add all the details here. And by using the hashtag, you can refer to it later. The InfoBase system is especially helpful if you're juggling multiple campaigns. Another tool that I love is AIFreebox.com. It is a free writing tool that streamlines content creation. For instance, if you want to create a blog post, and let's say the topic is email marketing software, it creates a detailed outline, making it very easy for you to create engaging and informative content. One standout feature is as well its ability to support multiple languages, which is very handy. Plus, there are platform-specific options that help you to create tailored content for various social media channels. Also, if you're looking for a YouTube video description, that's a great tool to leverage. The next one is Whimsical. It is a powerful visual tool that simplifies the brainstorming and design process. Whimsical offers an intuitive interface that makes it easy to visualize complex ideas quickly. Let's say I would like to create a marketing strategy for an email marketing software. It generates a mind map so I can organize my thoughts and ideas into a cohesive structure. And this is super useful for presentations. Another useful feature is the sticky note feature. This is especially useful when you're brainstorming with the team, so everyone can add their perspectives and feedback instantly. Whimsical also allows you to create frames for multiple devices, ensuring that your visualizations are always perfectly formatted. Moving on to Firefly Adobe. This tool transforms your creative ideas into beautiful, high-quality images with just a few clicks. Whether you're looking to create stunning images for social media, a blog post, or marketing material in general, Firefly Adobe makes the design process seamless and enjoyable. For instance, you can use a prompt, create a hyper-realistic image of the Sydney Harbour Bridge on a sunny day, and you see that it already comes up with really good suggestions. You can also upscale the image. And if you want a different vibe, you can just change it to at sunset, which already is a great result. And then you can also change the aspect here. You can change the color and the tone, the lighting, the camera angle. Or you can also upload a reference image if you have a very specific vision. That already looks very professional to me. It might fully replace the need for stock images. Number 6 is CapCut. It is your go-to video editing tool for professional quality without the complexity. Whether you're making videos for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, CapCut simplifies video editing as it turns raw footage quickly into eye-catching content. What I love about CapCut is how easy it is to use. So you can find various templates for shorts, YouTube outros. You can check out the Magic Tool section, which basically allows you to remove the background of a video without having a green screen. When you upload the clip, you can just easily remove the background. You can add transitions. And you can also add automated captions. You can adjust the text. As you can see, you can really make your videos stand out without the need for professional editing skills. Next is Upscale Media. It is a perfect tool for enhancing your images with just a few clicks. Whether you're working with old photos or low-resolution images, this tool can immediately upscale the quality and the sharpness. Imagine I come across an image of the Sydney Harbour Bridge on Google, but the quality is not great. With just a quick upload and an adjustment to upscale it 4 times, I can transform it into a stunning image that's great for sharing on social media. The last one is Elevenlabs. Elevenlabs is a powerful tool that makes creating high-quality voiceovers very simple. Whether you're producing a video or you need a voice for your podcast, Elevenlabs.ai produces natural-sounding speeches from text within a few seconds. First, you can just listen through a couple of voices and see what you like.
If you spend your whole life waiting for the storm,
and if you found one you like, you can just add the text. And here you have also multiple factors that you can adjust. And then you just generate the speech.
email marketing that's smarter, faster, and better.
Sounds pretty good to me. Before we wrap things up, let me introduce you to one of my go-to resources for discovering AI tools. There's an AI for that. Another one I highly recommend is Exploria. Now that you've seen these 8 free AI tools, I would love to know which one of these are you most excited about to try out. Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button, and I'll catch you in the next one.